Quadratic Graphs Part 1. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are quadratic equations? Why are they called so? 2. What are the two types of quadratic equations? 3. How do we solve quadratic equations? 4. What shape does a quadratic graph have? 5. How do we plot the graph of a quadratic equation? 6. How do we make the distinction between various types of quadratic graphs? 7. What are the special points we can use to plot a quadratic graph? 8. What does the sign of the coefficient indicate for quadratic graphs? 9. How do we find the equation of a parabola from its graph? Introduction. Do you remember from previous chapters what quadratics are? If yes, you probably know the answers to the following questions. What is a quadratic equation with one variable? With two variables? What is a more common name used to describe quadratic equations with two variables? Why are they called quadratic equations? What is the general form of a quadratic equation? What happens if you replace the variable y with 0 in a quadratic equation? How do you solve such equations? What is the shape of a quadratic graph? Why is this so? In this math tutorial, we will answer all these questions, and provide full examples with calculations to help you understand and learn how to work with quadratic graphs. We start with a recap of quadratic equations in Lesson 1 and then build on these core skills to extend your level of understanding. That is all for Introduction to Quadratic Graphs Part 1. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 15.1.1, Recalling Quadratic Equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.